So yeah, I'm going to start off with some Prussian blue, go with some phthalo blue as well. Put an extra paint on tonight because it's a big board. We'll just make this colour. There we go. Right, okay, we're going to use this big brush. So we're going into that mixture of phthalo blue, Prussian. Right, we're going to put this all over. I've already applied the liquid clear. Really work that into the canvas, that's mixing with the liquid clear on there. So this is just pure titanium white going on now. So yeah, let's make a bit of a sky. So we'll just do some little patterns here and there. Come somewhere down like this. We'll just continue putting these little bits up here. Let's just blend using this brush here. A picture came to me, so hopefully I'm going to put it on canvas the way I can see it in my mind. Where should I have a moon? Maybe about here. So it's the big one. Okay, let's go around here. Yeah, just a nice little soft glow there. I'm going into the same white. Let's do a moon about here. Just want to twist this round and get a nice soft moon on there. Just a soft little moon. Got a fan brush here. I'm going to go into this dark colour that the dark colour that I put on in the first place. Let's just see how this sort of looks. Do one that lives there. Maybe it just comes in front of the moon there. We'll just put some little stringy ones in there. Okay, let's just blend the bottom of these clouds out, because I'm going to come back and add a little bit of white here and there. Just the bottoms. We'll just gently do these ones here. Look. I'm going to put some little, if I can, I want to put some little highlights on these clouds. Just around here where the moon, just some little ones here and there. We'll just see how that sort of blends out there. Just some little light catching on them clouds. There we go. Lift them up. I'm going to use that dark colour, just the same blue. I'm going to use this dark colour here and just plan out a little sort of mountain. Where do I want a mountain? One that lives there. Just put that bit of dark on. Just a little bit poking through there. Maybe it's got another little thing there. Okay, just something like that. I'm going to use that brush to, I'm just going to use the fan brush because it's in that colour, and just pull out this colour. And then we're going to put some snow on there, or highlights, whatever it may be in this particular one. Get that hair off there. There's paintings on there for all sorts of, you know, prices and whatever. I think there's some starting from £40. It's all free postage to the UK as well. All free postage. Right, I'm just going to get a little roll of paint. And we'll start putting some snow on here. I don't know how much of these we're going to see, by the way, but I'm going to do some distant mountains in this one. I'm going to go somewhere here. Where does this one come? Here. Something like that. Nice and bright where the moon is. Maybe that sort of joins into that one there. And then we're going to fluff them up. I'm going to go with some darker colour here. Make up a darker blue with just using the two paints that I've already used, the blue and the white. put some little shadow colours in there. On this side, just try and drag a little bit of that down. Just put in a little bit across there. Create a little bit of want this sort of subtleish. Sort of plan this out. I want a tree line coming across there. This is my vision I had in my mind, so I'm just going to lay some out there just to sort of lighten this up a bit. Okay, let's just speak about some trees here. Put a load of white paint. Right, I'm going to bring this along here. I'm going to bring that. Let's just do that. This is actually really good fun doing a big sort of canvas. Okay, let's go with the big fan brush. And I want some big trees here, so we're going to go, just put that in there. And we can just sort of make these little trees. I want this sort of blackish, dark colour down here, and I can come back and put highlights on. Just fill all this up. Fill all that up. I'll come back and put some highlights on there. There we go. Yeah. I've got some brown here. I'm just going to scrape out a sort of pattern with the roof. Something like that, and then it'll come down there, and then maybe something like this. And that's just getting some paints off there. We're going to put some colour there. Just lay some colour in. That down there. Fill these sides in here. Going to see what this looks like here. I wanted to do like a little sort of window up there. I'm going to put a little bit of a dark spot in there. A little bit of orange. We could just... Okay, let's just do... Coming out the side there. There we go. Just gets a little bit bigger as it gets towards us. Gonna do some little sort of frosty things, I think. Now let's just have that going around and just coming off the canvas there. Go across and just make that into water reflections. And there could be broken bits of ice or just the actual water line itself. Come down to about there, something like that. We'll just put some little bits of snow. There we go.